Welcome, in front of me I have REALME GT, and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So it's very simple. We have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and we have to type green Apple keyboard. Yeah, we have to get this one. It's from the REALME apps, so let's install. When the download is finished, you have to click open, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher into the green Apple keyboard, click activate, go back, click to switch input methods and switch to English United States green Apple keyboard. Right now tap on the finish and take a look how our keyboard theme has changed. There it is. So as you can see, it looks very close to the iOS one. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.